Hi, so today I would like to show you what I did. So I get a simple controller and two sensors with X and Y movement, and easy motor like this, and connect this one. I will show you how I connect a little bit late, but for now I would like to show how is it work. So let's turn on save energy. Just a moment. Yes, that's it. Okay, I connect to here USB. So now what happened? If I use my XY sensors by Y, it move this motor. Let's show you one by one. It's turned to 10 degree. So, but if I make like this, it's full. Yep. Ten degrees every step, and have a little bit weight. Looking together. Yep, like this. About connection, for example, this motor connect to 5 volts pin and ground. Let's show you close. Just a moment. Yes, this one to 5 volts and to ground, and this two cable going to here, white and gray. It's let's show you at 5 volt and ground too. In my controller have two ways with 5 volts and three pins with ground, and yellow and green connect to analog pins here, A1 and A2, and blue cable connect to 8 pins from motor from this servo machine. One of cable is this yellow orange cable coming to 9 pins. All of this connecting, and write little script what I would like to add on bottom of the video, and just connect to USB and it work. So if you have any question, please write in comment, and if you like it, share and click like button. Thank you for watching.